but we're not really fluent in English. Is that okay?
No, yeah, you sound great. Perfect.
Yeah, it's fine. It's chilling. All right, so are we good?
Yep, go for it.
Hey,
You're already in the video. Don't run
what's your
away.
name?
My name is Angeli.
Angelique.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm cool. My question for you this evening is, what do you feel like Filipina women prefer dating Filipino men or foreigners?
For me, it depends because girl always look at if the guy is faithful or the guy is really a good attitude. So for me, it depends if I love that man or yeah. But there are people also that they also depends if the guy has money or like that.